Today, we're excited to be here with the Andrew Effect. We're packing bags with toys. We're also here to pack hygiene items. Finding out from Candace that some of these families don't have a bar of soap in their house, we realize how critical that is. It's helping people in Clearview's community be able to go to school and feel a sense of dignity.
There's some awesome stuff here. I think that the great thing about the Andrew Effect, the items that we're packing up for these kids, it's not gift cards or video games or electronics. It's books and arts crafts and science things, so things that'll help them learn, as well as some health and beauty supplies because they might not have them. And it's important that everybody have an opportunity to have those things that they need. So we're out here today as a group to help out. The ability to not only give a donation, but to have people be able to volunteer and see what we can do with those funds is rare.
My mother ended up losing her life over drugs, and the next morning after I was with my family, I drove straight to school, straight to my guidance counselor's office, and they called all my friends down. The difference that my teachers and counselors and aunts and uncles made in my life were huge. I wouldn't be standing here today if it weren't for that. Some of these kids are not getting anything from their parents, so a gift from a teacher is somebody that they have a strong connection with. It's super important. So that's why we made the decision a long time ago to distribute through our partners who see the students every single day. In the back are the labels that go with all of these kids. So keep your sheets together.
As president of the Clearview Foundation, it was really great for me to see some of the books that provide financial education that were donated by the foundation through a grant program, but really just the intentionality of the lists, providing tools that are going to be able to benefit each student. Our staff and our team is able to come here, put hands on all these items, work alongside a basketball team in our community.
The boys came off by the 2 hour, actually almost a 2.5 hour practice. This was not something that they had to do. This is something that they wanted to do. Over and over again, I've heard them say, remember this book, I love this book, remember this toy.
Some of the books, seeing the ones like that we used to read, just like a flashback moment.
We're just glad we got to come out and be a part of this, be a part of the cause.
I am a firm believer in the positive caring adults around. I mean, that changed my life, and it changed I have a brother and sister. And, if we didn't have that, we could have ended up like Andrew, or we could have ended up in foster care, or a lot of really, hard things. So thank you all. It was amazing. You guys were really hard workers.
I would encourage any organization, if they can donate funds, awesome. If they can send people to help, it's great. If there's any organization trying to make a difference, trying to make an impact and find something to do that really impacts the community, there's no doubt the Andrew Effect is the place to go.
It's bringing our folks out. It's getting our organization behind it, but also how the Andrew Effect impacts our community. How many hundreds of students we're able to reach today alone. So I would definitely encourage anybody, bring your people out. This is a great day. It's doing the work, as you will see a lot of everyone's doing here today, but also making a meaningful difference and having a lot of fun while doing all of that.